Come on. So she even plays fetch with her new bird toy. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Say hi to the people, Sugar. Say hi, baby girl. You want your bird? You want your bird? Huh? Come on. Look at her toys all over the floor. She's got so many toys. As you can see, I live alone, so when my girlfriend's not here, it's just me and my Sugar. Come on, baby girl. You ready? Come on. She's such a good cat. Anyways, happy Wednesday to everybody. Thank you to all of my subscribers. I'm new to this, totally. There's no edits. This is real deal Holyfield. God bless everybody. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.